Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours from after I upload it, then sure, the chart might look a little bit different, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big level that still is sticking out there, really there's a couple of key levels, but question number one, let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. But question number one is, okay, well, where's the price currently at relative to 9,000? If you're answering the question that the price is still down below that level, then nothing really massively bullish has happened. Now, I'm not saying that that means the chart is automatically terrible. I'm just saying there really wouldn't have been any sort of, big bullish price movements. Sure, I mean, that could imply that the price has moved its way up there, which is definitely a good thing. But as far as more so overall big technical events, nothing has really happened as long as you're answering the question that the price is down below that 9,000 mark. Now, on the flip side, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually up above it, well, then at that point, it's a bit of, gut instincts, common sense. I mean, if the price is, right up around here, don't get me wrong, that's definitely a good thing. But if the price is all of a sudden all the way up at 9,300, then that would be an extremely impressive movement on the bulls part. So from that angle, like I said, gut instincts and common sense will take you far. But essentially, the higher up above 89 to 9,000 the price is, the more bullish the price action has been. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is still down below that red line, then the next immediate question is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 8,700, which is essentially the value of that pink line. Talked about that in the video from Monday, but that is the very famous 200 period moving average. And to give credit where credit's due, so far so good. That's a level that you would want to see act as support. And since the last update I did, that level does continue to act as support. So that's going to be that, near-term level of support that you certainly want to see, provide some strength to the buyers. Now, if you're answering the question, well, Clay, actually the price is down below 8,700, then the next immediate question would be in regards to that green line down there, which is 8,500. So the question just simply, okay, well, fine, then where's the price at relative to 8,500? Now, if the price is down below 8,500, just like the 9,000 mark, it's a matter of gut instincts, common sense, meaning if the price is slightly below it, okay, that's not a good thing, but if the price is, down at 8,200, that would be a sign that the bears have taken a big old chunk out of things. So from that point of view, like I said, just let your gut instincts and common sense come into play here. But overall, those are going to be the main levels to keep an eye on. So walk yourself through those questions. That'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.